This sucker right here is my Exmark 42-inch Q series, I believe. Like that's what it is. E series, something series. E series, Quest E series. That right there is a rack that I welded for it today out of some old bed frames that I picked up for free. I have maybe, I want to say, a can of, not even a can, a third of a can of primer and some cheap black gloss paint. Yeah, it's getting cold out, so that might not cure by tomorrow, but hopefully it will. So it's gonna go here in the back of the mower. I have a 6-gallon milk crate that's gonna fit inside that frame, and it will get bolted to the two runners on the two horizontal pieces right there. See, I'll get bolted to those, and it'll hold, you know, as a gas can. Hopefully I'll find a way to mount the weed whacker to it, and yeah, that's what it's for, is to hold the weed whacker and some gas and some trimmer line, so when I go and I mow the neighborhood, I can just run the mower and not have to come back later on and do other things with my stuff. So I moved all my welding equipment outside. That little MiG 140 is doing its thing. It worked great today. I did a lot of prep work with the grinder, flat 40 grit flap disc, and the grinding wheel. That right there is a metal chop saw. It's a 12-inch. I bought it for $5, and it works great for $5. Those are the mounting bolts for the bracket. I mean the rack I built for the thing. This is my work table. I mounted the 4-inch drill press vise to it. I have another the Little Town 112 vise will get mounted to the opposite side over here. But yeah, that's what I got so far today. Thank you for watching Little Build It. Please like, comment, and or subscribe. Have a good night. Bye.